Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In each video, I share simple and useful English to help you learn and speak better. Today, we're learning about sports verbs. The video is short, so you can easily practice and remember what you learned. I'll say each word clearly, and don't forget to pause the video and try saying it yourself. Let's start the video. Bounce. Look at the way he bounced the ball. Catch. Do you like football? Tell me in the comment section. Hit. This is how I hit my friend in my head. Jump. I used to jump like that, but I can't because it's real life. Kick. Well, I can see how angry she is, the way she kicked him. Lie down. It feels calm to lie in the nature. Run. You should run from him. He's a total pervert. Stretch. I like stretching because I like to be flexible. Throw. She's throwing stones. I don't know at who. Walk. Well, walking is good for your health. You should walk every day. Sorry.
Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like this video and share it with your friends. If you want more videos like this, please say me in the comment section. And if you want to stay connected with me, please subscribe my YouTube channel. So see you in the next video. Bye bye.